Informs, the largest association for the decision in data sciences, provides the following audio content to journalists for their use in reporting with proper attribution. What follows are 4 questions and responses from Javad Mohammadi. He's an assistant professor with the Cockrell School of Engineering at the University of Texas at Austin. His research focuses on addressing the resiliency and the decarbonization needs of the electric grid and electrified mobility systems. He's also a member of Informs. Question 1. When it comes to broader deployment of electric vehicles in America, what role will expansion of the electric grid play for those vehicles?
Accessibility and reliability of our charging infrastructure are the keys to promoting electric vehicle deployments. And this means that we need to have a resilient electric grid that can feed electric vehicles when and where it's needed. Also, having an efficient electric grid is critical for delivering clean energy to charge electric vehicles and reduce our carbon footprint.
Question 2. What are the key challenges for expansion of the electric grid for EVs?
Our electric grid is aging, and it is not well prepared to deal with disasters and weather issues. So we need to modernize this infrastructure to deal with climate shocks and keep up with the growing energy demand. And the future of our energy grid, for the most part, will rely on its ability to store energy. So electric vehicles could be part of the solution because they're effectively batteries on the wheel, meaning that they can store energy and discharge energy when it's needed. And the main question would be how to incentivize and manage an army of individual batteries and electric vehicles to help the grid at times of need.
Question 3. What progress has been made so far in expanding the grid for electric vehicles?
As manufacturers are betting big on EVs, the expectation is that our electric grid should keep up. And there is a consensus that we need to invest in our electric infrastructure and we need to have a modern electric system. Our decision makers have started to rethink the role of electric vehicles in the future of our electric grid and started to develop plans and strategies for better integration. But these efforts need to accelerate.
Question 4. How should America move forward to expand the electric grid for EVs?
We need to think holistically and consider transportation electrification in the broader context of our energy transition. We need to have the right policies in place to incentivize EV adoption and encourage EV owners to help the grid in times of needs.
Please see the audio content release posted alongside this clip for attributions, soundbite length, and transcriptions. Any other questions can be sent to Ashley Smith, Informs Public Affairs Coordinator at asmith@informs.org.